Yeah, GM guys. My name is Martin and I'm the dev lead for AI1 Beats on Sunny. So we have our landing page, the seamless UI for our users. So this is it. So let's get right to it. So we also have a setup chat page where you can just, instead of writing a message, you can just click on any of this button to show you. Now, for example, I clicked on what can you do? So this is response. So we also have the voice record. We also have our wallet address. We also have our contact. Now this contact is when you want to send a transaction. You can just save it here. For example, let's say I want to transfer to Martin, and the wallet address is. So let me just copy this. So paste it here. Then we add contact. So when you click on the contact, you can see we have our contact here. So this is used for swapping or transfer. Want to transfer to the following user or any user of your choice, you can click on this. We also have a documented doc for AI1 specifically, where user can come and check how the app is being built and how they can use it, what they can impute, what they can tell the AI, and all of that. So now you can see you can ask for what is the ticker for Anon. So ticker basically means getting the contract address for Anon. So when we come here, we just click here, and now it's going to give us the contract address for Anon. Now you can see we have the contract address here. So the same thing, we can do this for Sonic 2, get ticker for S token, then click on enter. Yeah, you can see we have the contract address here. So let's go back to the doc. So we also have the balance check. So we can come here and search for get balance of Sonic, which is the S token. So it's going to show us our balance. So we have 2.6 S token here. We also have a good feature for users where they can check a particular token. Now, for example, let's say I want to check this. So if the coin is not available, it's going to show us an error message. If it's available, it's going to check it for us. We also have swap token. So we want to swap 0.1 S token. We want to swap 0.1 S token. So we need the contract address. So let's get the token ticker for that. I think we've already gotten that. So click on this. So swap 0.1 S2. So I want to swap it to Anon. So to Anon. So this. So you can see it's showing swap successful. The same thing with the swap failed. So let me show you guys an example of that, how that looks. So let's say now you can see I don't have up to 2.6, I don't have up to 10 Sonic. So I want to swap send 10 Sonic. Now it's going to show me an error. Now you can see transaction failed. Now it also has a well-detailed error message for users to understand. So the reason why we have this contact again, like I said, or these tokens is when, let's say, instead of putting the address here, you can just come here and save it. Now we have a default address for users, so they can just do swap Sonic to Anon. So we can come here and say we want to swap Meow. Then we have token address. So let us put a random token address here. So an add token. So when we come here, you can see we've added our token. So we have the chat history, where you can see the previous chat history. So we also have transaction history, where you can see all the transactions we've done. So let's proceed. We also have the transfer. Yeah. So I want to transfer to this wallet address. So let's take here. I want to transfer. So it's going to tell me the necessary things I need to do for me to be able to complete the transfer. So I'll say transfer 0.1 Sonic to then we'll paste the recipient wallet address. Remember, we have the amount and the recipient token address. So when we hit on enter, it's going to show us our. Now you can see the transfer was complete, so it was successful. So let's do a failed transaction. Transfer 0. I don't have up to 10 Sonic. 10 Sonic. I don't have up to 10 Sonic. So to this address. Now it's not going to work because I don't have up to 10 Sonic. It's going to show transfer failed. So we can see them here. Yeah. So for us to create a new chat, we can just click on this arrow here. It's going to create a new chat for us. For us to go back to the previous chat, we can just click here. We're going to come back to the previous chat. So also price. So we can also get the price prediction of a particular token. Price prediction of let's say you want to get the price prediction of BTC. So it's going to show us the price prediction of that. So you can see we have this was integrated with another CoinGecko. So I think that's a very nice way for users to understand what's going on, and that's like a trading chart for them to understand how the chart looks like. Yeah. So okay, let's try for price prediction for Solana. This is going to work. So here you can see, so we have $70 billion market cap, and so we have a very seamless UI for that. So we want to check, like I said before, check is used to see view details of a token if it is safe to buy it or not. So when we hit this, it's going to show us the details of this token. So as you can see, it's showing us very safe, which means it's safe for us to buy this token and for users to buy this token, and it shows you other details you need to know about it. So we also have like I said before, the tokens. Now we can add a new token here called Meow and token address. So we have a valid Meow token address there. So we can just paste it here and add token. So when we come back here, we can see it. So you can literally view more details about tokens too. You can view more details about tokens. So let's go back and click on Meow. So you are going to see the details about a particular token you click on. So this is it. Market cap, volume, circulating supply, and all of that. Thank you all for listening. See you guys next time.